Welcome to Startup News at 10. I am Aishwarya Nair. Government of India releases report on support to startups by states and union territories. The second edition of the exercise was launched in 2019 and has now been completed with active participation of 22 states and 3 union territories. Shri Piyush Goyal announced the results at the National Media Centre, New Delhi on 11 September 2020. One state and one union territory have emerged as the best performers in the exercise. 2 South Indian states are the top performers. The exercise shows that 3 among the 7 sisters are emerging startup ecosystems. Department of Pharmaceuticals launches the Grand Challenge for Pharma and Medical Devices Startup. This Grand Challenge has been launched to provide incentives to innovation in these sectors and spur economic growth. The challenge focuses on building solutions for the pharmaceutical sector and medical devices sector in India. Applications for the same have started on 26th February 2021 and the last date to apply is 31st March 2021. The Department of Pharmaceuticals was created on 1st July 2008 in the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers with the objective to give greater focus and thrust on the development of pharmaceutical sector in the country. Insurtech startup Riscovery raises $5 million. Insurtech startup Riscovery has raised $5 million in the Series A funding led by Umidyar Network India. Other investors who also participated were Pune-based venture capital fund Pentathlon Ventures and Delhi-based DMI Sparkle Fund. Kinara Capital received Rs 52 crores from Impact Investment Exchange for women entrepreneurs. Small business lender Kinara Capital on Monday announced securing Rs 52 crores from Impact Investment Exchange for the advancement of women entrepreneurs in India. This investment fund will be distributed via Kinara Capital's Har Vikas discounted loan program. Ola's founding member Pranay Jivrajka exits the company. Pranay Jivrajka, a founding member of Ola and the former CEO of Ola Foods, has exited the unicorn. He was also elevated to the position of a co-founder prior to his exit. Paytm teams up with Ola to apply for NUE's Act 2013 and will be authorized under the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007. Fintech startup Intellect launches AI-powered Aadhaar processing solution. Chennai-based financial technology company Intellect Design Arena has launched Magic Aadhaar, an AI-powered Aadhaar processing solution for companies. The AI solution will be used to identify, extract, validate and mask Aadhaar details and hyper-digitize the end-to-end processes using Aadhaar-based processing. Pune-headquartered Imagine XP acquires edtech startup Noesis Learning. Pune-headquartered Imagine XP has acquired Noesis Learning, an edtech startup that enables a digital learning environment. The acquisition of Noesis will further fortify the digital strategy at Imagine XP. Now, GSTIN is not mandatory for MSME registration. The entrepreneurs and proprietors who are exempted from filling GST returns can register their company on the Udyam registration portal as an MSME with the help of a PAN card. EdTech startup Quizzes raises $12.5 million in Series A. EdTech startup Quizzes has raised $12.5 million in Series A funding round led by 8 Roads Ventures with participation from GSV Ventures, Rocketship VC, and existing investors, Nexus Venture Partners and Prime Venture Partners. The funds will be used to expand its team to support school and corporate customers and accelerate international user growth. That's all for today's bulletin. Until the next bulletin. Do check out My Startup TV for the latest news on Indian entrepreneurs. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. I request our viewers to support our work by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.